This video will show you how to create a quiz using Microsoft Forms that you'll be able to distribute to your class through whatever platform you choose to use. You can find Microsoft Forms through going onto your mail on Glow and then clicking the 9 dots on the top left hand corner of the page. Once you have clicked this, you will see Forms as one of the options. If it does not appear as one of the options, then you can click All Apps and you will find it in here. If you have created any forms in the past, they will appear on this page once you have clicked on Forms. And to start a new quiz, you just need to click the Add button, which says New Quiz near the top of the page. You can click on where it says Untitled Quiz in order to change the title of your quiz. For example, if your class has been learning about the Egyptians, then you might want to name the title of your quiz Egyptians Quiz, like I have done here. It also gives you an option below this to add a description of your quiz, and you can edit this and change what that says as well. Next to your title, you'll see there's a little image option. Clicking on this will provide you with the opportunity to find a picture to match the title of your quiz. When you have found the picture that you want and you have added the title and description, then you can click the Add New button to start typing the first question of your quiz. When adding a new question to your quiz, it gives you several options, such as adding a multiple choice question, adding a question where the person who is answering the quiz will need to enter text. You can ask them to fill in a rating or to choose a date. And if you want further options, then you can click the arrow at the right hand side. For this example, we are going to use multiple choice questions. To change what the wording of your question is, you click on where it says question next to number 1, and then you can edit what the box says. Here I have entered my first question and I have given 3 possible choices for what the answer could be. When you click on one of the answers, it also gives you an option to state that that is the correct answer. That's what I have done here for the option of Giza. When you click on the speech bubble next to a possible answer, it gives you an option to add a message. This message will appear when the person who is answering the quiz chooses this option. For example, I have clicked on the speech bubble next to the correct answer and added a message to say, "Well done, you are spot on," to ensure that the person who is answering the quiz knows that they got this answer correct. You could also add a comment next to the incorrect answers. This will inform the quiz participant what the correct answer was on the occasion that they get an answer incorrect. At the bottom of the question, you have the option to add a points total to the question. This means that when the participant answers the question correctly, they will be awarded this amount of points. You can give a different number of points to each question if you prefer. When you have finished the first question, it will look like this, and you are ready to click Add New at the bottom of the page to begin typing your second question. On this occasion, I have created 5 questions. All of them are multiple choice, and all of them are worth 5 points. I have also selected what the correct answer is for all of them. You can click on the Theme button in the top right corner of the screen to change what you want the layout in the background of your quiz to look like. If you click the Add symbol on this section, then you'll be able to add an image from the internet. You do this through clicking on the image icon on this section, and then you can select the image that you like the best to include as the background of your quiz. If you click the preview section of the screen, then it will show you how the quiz looks for the person who you're going to be giving the quiz to. You can then practice answering the questions to see how it will look after they have pressed submit. You can see for the person who answers it, it will show them the answers that they have got wrong and the answers that they have got correct. In this example, we got the first one wrong, but the rest of them we got correct, and this is how it will look for them. When you click the share button, it presents you with a link that you are able to copy and then give out on any platform that you wish. The automatic option in this section is to select it so that only people in your organisation can respond. For children in your class to be able to access the quiz this way, they would need their Glow login. You might prefer to change it so you can select anyone can respond. This means that you can give out the link, and all they would have to do to be able to answer the quiz is click on the link. After you have done this, you just need to click the copy button, and then the link will be copied to your tablet or desktop, and it will be ready for you to distribute in any way that you wish. There is also the option next to this to create a QR code for your quiz. This is just another way of distributing it if you prefer. When people begin submitting responses, you'll be able to click on responses within your Microsoft Forms page to look at a breakdown at how each of the questions have been answered. If you are accessing forms through a desktop, then you'll be able to click the Review Answers button from this section. When you click Review Answers, it gives you the option to switch between people to see how each individual person who has answered the quiz have answered their questions. The only way to be able to see everybody's name in this would be if you selected the option previously so that only people within your organisation can respond. This means that children would have to be logged into their own Glow accounts. If you want the details for this, then I will be able to get them for you, but otherwise, even if you just choose the anyone can respond option, then you will still be able to look at a breakdown of how the questions have been answered. You just won't be able to click on each individual child. Thank you for watching this short video which showed you how to use Microsoft Forms to create a quiz for your class.